What is going on, everyone? We are on our way to a new spot. Try to bash with the Revo. I've been scoping this bike park now for a little bit. I was up a little later than I wanted to be last night, so I didn't wake up as early as I wanted. I'm hoping that the bikes aren't there yet, but this park is really sweet. They got like the jumps are wood, so the takeoff should be good for traction and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get in there and get some good bash footage, and we'll see what happens. All right, I made it. There's nobody here, so I should be able to get in on some jumps here. You can see this is the spot. It's nothing too crazy, but I'm hoping to have some fun. So here's the Revo setup here. All I got is this chassis brace. These are the upgraded shocks just in the rear. I haven't put them in the front yet. I got the bump stops in there. And yesterday I did do some goop and some flex seal on the inside of the body. And I got this mount I put in because the 3M just wasn't sticking for the onboard camera. So yeah, I'm gonna get this all set up and get out there and hit some jumps. Yeah.
Back.
See, this ball cup popped out, I think. I just have to pop that back in. I'm not sure how that works. So I popped the ball cup out, and what you gotta do is move the little dust cover in here. Use this tool here to spin that piece out, and then you slide the ball cup and screw it back in the arm. I was trying to pop it back in, but that doesn't work. So I am good to go. I do have a bent, it looks like just the end on that is bent. I have RPM ones at home, so, but for now, I'm gonna go back out with that. Try to get some more footage. disconnected a battery. That just...
Oh, you got no tail.
That goes in there. I guess I didn't have the screws in that or something. Because there's no...
Or they fell off,
There's no...
you think?
I don't know. Alright everyone, I'm back from the bash session here with my E Revo, and yeah, I'm just kind of making this video a little bit out of disappointment, I guess. First thing is my camera mount didn't hold up. That I'm not too mad about. That was my own fault. I didn't put any support on the top, so the thin Lexan kind of just broke. So now I got a hole in the top of the body, but I mean, that's replaceable. I could fix it up a little bit or whatever, but that's not really the major problems. The wing mount, this broke here. These holes, I'm not sure really what was going on there, but the little screws, they made the holes too thick here, and so then they just kept falling out the back. My aluminum chassis brace just keeps seeming to bend. Looks like this brace here on the for the body mount, that looks a little bent again. I definitely got some bent rod ends, and then I had that issue with the ball cup there, or whatever it's called, coming out, but that was a pretty easy fix. I'm not sure if it's designed to come out or not on that end, but I went back in, it seems to be holding up. This rod end is definitely bent. I'm not sure if it's just the end or the whole push rod, but they're still on there for now, so I could still run it. Everything else seems to be kind of holding up, but so far since I've got this truck, every time I go out, something seems to be breaking. I'm not sure. You know, I know my landings aren't super clean, but I watch other bash videos, and it seems like everyone's getting some serious air and not having these problems. So I'm getting a little frustrated. I'm not really sure. I ordered another chassis brace because this one, you can see here, it goes and the curve of it kind of just squashed up. You can see that this is bent forward, so I'm probably going to have to order another one of these. I think I'm just going to go with the Hot Racing aluminum one. Not sure if that's really going to work. You know, I'm afraid the aluminum's just going to break. The plastic ones are cheap enough, so maybe I'll just order another plastic one. I found a pretty good seller on eBay. I can get them pretty quick. So I just kind of wanted to share those thoughts. I was a little disappointed that my truck keeps breaking. I know it's a little bit of a heavy vehicle. I'm not sure if that's the case or what's going on. I mean, it's holding up, but I've been having these small issues, and it seems like every time I go out, I have another issue, and you know, I'm not able to really get too much footage out of it. Here, this tire blew a hole in it. I don't know how that happened. But that's no big deal because I had picked up those Badlands from my hobby shop because they're going out of business, and I got a good discount or whatever, so that's all good. I have these to throw on there. I ordered 2 more, obviously, but yeah, I just figured I'd share some of the damage on this thing. The front of the truck seems to be holding up, but I guess it's just the back. I don't know if it's how I'm landing or what's going on, so I had to get this part on eBay. They did not have any on Amine, which is where I usually like to order stuff, but I ordered this whole new wing piece here. Comes with these side pieces or whatever, so that's where it's broken here on the bottom of these. The holes just kind of got reamed out. It's not a huge deal, not anything expensive or anything, but I would like to kind of go out for a bash and not break anything, but I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that's just how it's supposed to be. So yeah, That's all the carnage from this, I guess. I'm not sure what order. Maybe I'll just throw all the footage up now. I guess I can show you guys after. I don't know how I'm going to edit the video together, but I just kind of wanted to voice my frustrations a little bit with this truck. If anyone's got any tips on how to keep this thing going a little bit more, or maybe I should just stock up on some parts and expect this to happen every time I go out. I just was trying to get some backflips going, and yeah, but yeah, I don't know. Enjoy the clips. We'll see how they look. Obviously, it's not going to be much because the truck kept breaking, but yeah. Thanks for watching.